Densen Forging Factory was founded in 2007, has more than 15 years manufacturing experience in the field of forging. We are the design supplier of bridgestone. Meanwhile, we are certificated by ISO 9001 at our forging foundry. We have the capabilities to produce quality forgings for customers in diverse range of industries including excavators, automotive, aerospace, shaft, machine tools, valves, medical equipment, etc. Annual capacity 5,000 tons, workers 50. Equipments 1,600 tons and 3 tons closed die hammer, 1 ton closed die hammer, 500 kilograms open die hammer, 300 kilograms open die hammer, quenching and tempering system. Production line was set up by Japanese team. 100% products sold to overseas. With fully automatic heat treatment production line, we can better control the heat treatment of products. For the products, we will carry out 100% inspection and provide the final inspection report before leaving the factory. With fully automatic heat treatment production line, we can better control the heat treatment of products in order to bring high-quality products to customers. We are very strict in the process of inspection. In addition, we also have spectrum testing tester, Rockwell hardness tester, tensile testing machine, etc. to test the products. Densen Forging, with its standardized enterprise management system, strong technical force and advanced business philosophy, ensures the continuous expansion of the enterprise in the market competition, and gradually grows into the flagship enterprise of the forging industry in Liaoning, Shenyang.